All right, here we are. Sunny Cocoa Beach. We got in yesterday and we actually got the bar all set up, everything done, and just waiting on the palms. Let's see if we can get that sun. It's over there somewhere. There it is. Yep, sun's just coming up. It's probably, let's say around 7:30. And PJ couldn't get the palms here this morning, so he showed up at 11:45 last night. So me and him unloaded the trailer.
While I slept.
While he slept, he wouldn't get out of bed. Tiki guys do what Tiki guys got to do to get the job done. Tim's a cabinet shop. They sleep when work needs to get done. But anyway, palms got here last night.
I saved them money by being off the clock.
You get paid a flat rate, doesn't matter. All right, anyway, palms got here last night, and I just finished cutting about 120 of them. Tim's moving those back. I've been walking the long stalk ones back. But hopefully we should be done this by noon today. I don't want to be on the roof. It's going to be a hot one today. So this is where we got the bar and where everything needs to go. Right there. So yesterday, if you guys saw the pictures yesterday, we got the bar all set up, the electric done, the footrest is on, the roof is on, and we were just waiting for the palms. And no, I wasn't going to thatch the roof at 1 o'clock this morning. So that's where we're at right now. I got to get back to work, start bringing in some more palms so we can get this roof done. All right, from Cocoa Beach, Florida, Tiki Kev out.